Do you want your Jasper reports to show only specific data like employees from IT department or a single person by name? In this video, I will show you how to use multiple parameters to filter your reports like a real system. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jasper Reports tutorial series. In this series, we are building Jasper Reports step by step, from beginner to advanced. If you are serious about Java and reporting, make sure to subscribe and share my videos. So, in the previous video, we used only one parameter to filter data. Now, we will use multiple parameters together. By the end of this video, you will be able to filter reports using department name and employee name. This is how real applications work. So now let's come to the main topic. First, we want to explain parameter in simple way. A parameter is just a filter. Whenever you want to filter data from a database, you have to use parameters. More parameters equals more control over your data, and less parameters equals less control over your data. That is a good idea. So, yesterday we used only one parameter and we filter data based on the department name. Today, let's use multiple parameters. We want to use employee name and department name because we want to filter data based on the employee name and department. So, let's get started. Okay, friends, as you can see, we have a simple employee list report. Now, this can filter data only based on the department name. We want to filter data based on the employee name and department name. Let's check parameters. As you can see, we have only one parameter, department. For the employee name, let's add a new one, simple. Right click on that. We have create parameter. Here we have name. You can change this name as well. There is no problem. We want to change, for example, param employee name. Then we have data type. Now we selected string type because on the database we stored full name as a string type, but you can change parameter data type according to our requirements. There is no problem, but we want to select simple string type. So thereafter what we will do, we want to switch to the source code. As you can see here, we have two parameters. We have param department and param. And let's change this to employee name. Okay. Then we have simple query that can select all the data from a database based on the department name. But we want to add employee name as well. We want to filter data based on the department and employee name. Simple. Here we want to add and we have full name equals then we want to mention the parameter. We have parameter, let's copy that. So everything is good. As you can see now, we specified two parameters, department name and employee name. That means now we can filter data based on the department and employee name. So let's save the changes. We want to go to the design mode. Let's preview the report. As you can see now, we have two parameters, department and employee name. We want to enter IT department, and from that department we want to search a specific employee. Let's add, for example, we want to add Hassan Ali. Let's run the report. So as you can see, the search is working correctly. There is no problem. And we filter data from a database based on the employee name and department name. So now the report is more flexible and more dynamic because you can filter data based on the department and employee name. So in two steps, we applied multiple parameters in Jasper reports. As you can see, in the first step, we created parameters. In the second step, we applied these parameters in a query. We have simple query that can select all the data from MySQL database based on the department name and employee name. So if this helped you support the channel, please like, subscribe and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.